New this hour, a woman who was previously convicted in the 2019 Dougherty County malice murder of her husband is walking free today. Now, this comes after the courts ordered her release following Judge Willie Lockett's ruling for the case to be dismissed. WALB News 10's Lena Allen has more from the jail. She actually spoke with Embert's lawyer earlier. What is she saying?
Yes, Susan Embert's lawyer tells me that her client is scheduled to walk out of those doors sometime today as a free woman. As of right now, there are no foreseeable plans for a retrial, but all that can change if the state files an appeal and wins. Now, Susan was sentenced to life in prison on charges including malice murder and the 2014 death of her husband, Jake Embert. His death was initially ruled a suicide, but his children hired a private investigator to try to find the truth. But in February of this year, Susan's legal team argued that approximately 9 years had passed since her initial arrest before a proper trial. Susan's lawyer tells me she is grateful for the court's dismissal.
It's incredibly satisfying and incredibly gratifying, and it's important to note that Mrs. Embert's case has not only been dismissed, but the original conviction not only was overturned, but it was completely voided. So she has not technically been convicted at all.
Now I'm waiting to hear back from District Attorney Greg Edwards about if and when he plans on appealing the dismissal motion. I'll also be speaking to the victim's family later on to see what they think about these recent developments in the case. Live in Albany, Lena Allen, WALB, your hometown news source.
Well, today Lena will be getting reaction from Jake Embert's family, as she mentioned, and we'll see if the prosecution plans to appeal. Of course, you can look for those updates on our website, WALB.com, and the WALB News 10 app.